bad boys. Ooh, buddy. You see all that sauce that builds up? What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today, we're going to do some pork sliders. Now, I've never done this before, but Bobby, she commented on my video, and this is what she recommended, so I'm going to give it a try. And let me tell you, after I started looking into it a little bit, this looks amazing. It smells amazing. Everything's going to be great. I know that for a fact. Because what's not good on the griddle? I swear everything is good. So you know what? We're going to get started on these onions right over here. So I'm throwing, we got some pineapple we're going to grill up. We got some red onion. I'm going to get going right over here right now. Get in there. Alright. And then we got the meat right here. Now this, you know what? While this stuff's cooking up, I'm going to take you inside. I'm going to show you how I put this stuff together. Super easy. Delicious. So we got teriyaki right here. And this right here, this is my favorite teriyaki sauce. Really good stuff. We're going to put a little bit soy sauce. It's about 2 tablespoons. I'm going to put about a teaspoon sesame oil. And then just a scoop of sugar. So we cleaned up the pork a little bit, got this fat and stuff off. I'm going to take a slice right here in the middle. Alright, so we got, decent size. So now, I want this side right here. Just going to get some nice little chunks like that. And then we're ready to go in the marinade. Alright, so you see, it's really easy stuff, and I've just been having this sit in here. This has been in about 30 minutes. Yeah, about 30 minutes or so. And we're going to be throwing this on Hawaiian rolls. Got a little 4-pack. We're going to grill up this pineapple. I'm so excited. I've actually never grilled pineapple on the griddle yet, but I love it on everything else, or on other grills. Losing it. So yeah, we're just letting these cook up real quick, and then we're going to start frying stuff up. Alright, so here we go. Boom. A little pork. And the rest of this stuff right here, I'm just going to take that in. I'm going to put it over the rest of the pork loin that we're going to cook up in the oven. Alright, so those are going to cook up nice and fast. Let's get this pineapple on. Nice sizzle. Trying to keep it away from everything. I don't know if the oil would affect the taste at all. I've just never put oil on the grill when I fried these up, so I just keep them back there to the back. The pork is probably almost ready to flip. Just let that go for another minute. I don't know if you know, but everyone says pork cooks to 165, but I did a little research because, I don't know, it just didn't seem right. It's always dry, not that good. So I looked up, the proper temperature, all that stuff, and a lot of people do 145. I guess the CDC or somebody said 145, it's safe to eat. So that's roughly what I shoot for now. And yeah, everything's cooking up good. Let's just give it a hot second, give them a flip. These bad boys. Ooh, buddy. You see all that sauce that builds up? Alright, let's see how we're doing on this pineapple. That looks amazing. Let's get these good. Alright. This is done. Got my griddle turned off. I'm going to kill it all. I'm going to let it cool, finish. Time to eat. One thing I forgot. Got to toast the bun. Got a little oil right over here. Let's get that going. A little oil right here. Boom. Let them things cook up. Almost there. Boom, so here's our bottom, here's our top. Let's get these onions. Want them spread around nicely. Get them all over the bottom. Get up there. Alright, now we're going to throw the pork down. That's a big one right there. There we go. Get on there. Alright. And now the pineapple. Get in there, right there. Boom. Ooh, buddy. Look at you. Alright, let's dive into this. This looks amazing. The smells, oh man. I love that caramelization that you get on the meat from that sauce. So good. Alright, let's dive into you. Ooh. That sweetness. That pineapple with that meat and that sauce. That is real. That is delicious. Meat's nice and tender. This is delicious. This is A+. Man, I'm about to eat all of this. Appreciate you guys coming along. Smash that thumbs up if you like the video. Let me know if there's something you want me to cook. And yeah, let me know if you got any other burgers. I'm still getting more suggestions. So yeah, keep them coming. I appreciate it. I love it. And we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.